In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Odoo CRM. If you are new to Odoo CRM, this walkthrough will help you understand the basic workflow from creating a lead, tracking its progress, and then checking performance insights. Follow along at your own pace and focus on the actions you see on screen. To begin, open the CRM app. In Odoo, you usually find this through the main app menu or the dashboard where your available applications are listed. Take a moment to confirm you are actually inside the CRM workspace, because the layout you will see next, including pipelines and leads, is specific to this module. Next, view your pipeline. The pipeline is where Odoo organizes leads based on their current stage. You might see columns for different steps, such as qualification, proposal, and other stages your team has set up. Look across the pipeline so you understand what each stage represents. This is important because everything you do with leads will move through these stages. After you have located the pipeline, click New to add a lead. When you click New, Odoo will open a form where you can enter information about the person or company you want to track. Add the relevant details you have available, and keep in mind that the purpose here is to create a record that you can follow and manage through the sales process. Once the lead is created, click a lead to open the form view. This is where you can see the lead in a dedicated space with more complete information and fields. In the form view, you typically get a clearer picture of the lead, including its current status, key details, and activity history. Spend a moment reviewing what is displayed so you know where to look for updates and communication. Now that you are in the leads form view, use the chatter to log notes or send emails. The chatter is the communication hub for that specific lead. You can record notes that your team will understand later, and you can also send messages to keep the conversation in one place. Use this area consistently so your pipeline history stays organized. When you log notes or send an email, it becomes part of the lead record and helps you avoid losing context over time. As the lead progresses, you will need to update its stage. To do that, drag and drop leads to update their stage. This is one of the fastest ways to reflect progress in the pipeline. Make sure you drag the lead to the correct column that matches the stage it has reached. This helps keep your pipeline accurate and gives you a quick visual overview of where opportunities stand. If the lead moves toward a final outcome, you should finalize it using the appropriate status. Click Won or Lost to complete the process. Selecting Won indicates that the lead has successfully converted, while Lost indicates it did not convert. Take a moment to ensure you are choosing the right outcome, because this final step affects reporting and performance analytics. Finally, check the reporting menu for performance analytics. Once your leads have moved through stages, the reporting area helps you understand how your pipeline is performing over time. Open the reporting menu and review the analytics available there. This can help you spot trends, see which stages take longer, and understand overall results. Use this information to improve how you manage leads and how your team tracks progress. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.